Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI. I just made the most delicious boxed cookie mix that I have ever made. This MELI'S gluten-free cookie mix, the original monster, is so delicious. I am so happy I found it.
I'm no baker, and these are so easy to make. First, you line a parchment paper, then you add your peanut butter, and your egg, and then you mix it all up. I should have used a mixer for this, but I didn't. Mix it all up, and then it's all ready to go. You put the mix in with it and stir that all in. Make sure it gets all combined together just till it's ready, and then you roll it into balls and you place it on your cookie sheet, and this is what they look like when they were finished. And I'm gonna say they are the best cookies that I've had in a long time.
They have such a cute story of being friends over 30 years, and one of their family members got a gluten intolerance, so they decided to make these delicious cookie mixes gluten-free. These are probably the best homemade cookies I've ever made, and I think that you're gonna love them too. But that's just my point of view.